Tired of random people scrolling through your vacation photos and judging your avocado toast? Let's lock down your Instagram and make it a membership club. First things first, fire up your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This will whisk you away to your personal page. Now look for the 3 little lines stacked on top of each other in the top right corner. That's your gateway to Instagram's settings. Give those lines a tap. A menu slides in, and you're going to choose Settings and Privacy. It's usually near the top of the list, so tap on that. Okay, now scroll down until you see Account Privacy. It might be under the Who Can See Your Content section. Once you spot it, give it a tap. You'll see a toggle switch labeled Private Account. Simply slide that switch to the right, turning it from gray to blue. A little pop-up will ask you to confirm. Just tap Switch and boom. Your account is now private. Only people you approve can follow you and see your posts, stories, and reels. See that little padlock next to your username? That's your badge of privacy. Now you can enjoy sharing your life with only the people you choose. Stay safe and secure.